Did you make it? Did I make it? Say hello. Hannah and Hannah. Hannah. Say hello. Hello. Paradigm increases the economic and social inequality gap between the haves, have-nots, and the haves-a-lot. Contributed to the mark. It's me now. Hey guys. She's coming to my next poli-sci class, even though. Reluctantly. Oh, right. Actual right. Work done. It's like an hour. You'll be fine. She's okay. Guys, we're almost there. Oh my god, they're all the way up there. You guys are welcome to the vlog. Hello, Emily.
Is it video?
Yeah, it's a little vlog. Be prepared. Davia! Oh my god, imagine if she could hear me. We're getting off at this point. We're taking the shuttle back to Hannah's car. And then we're getting her...
Actually on the mythical yellow bus.
No. Seatbelts, everyone! Greening
Not
out.
that type of greenhouse.
Look at the green. Hannah Hoog, my little partner in crime. Poli-sci queen. Poli-sci. Oh my god, I literally have an obsession with chai, so like this has been a need, and the quiche has also been a daily obsession, so like this is what we kind of have going as the breakfast sitch recently.
Oh my goodness.
Hello, your cameo! Riri.
Vlog day 2, guys. Promise there'll be a video where we actually like do something. We could do something tonight.
Okay, watch it. Wanna go? What?
I'm like dropping F-bombs and shit.
Me too. Ah! Free speech. You're fine.
Free speech is great.
I just finished eating dinner. Hang out with my girlies. We go Uba. Do we have to take those? Yeah. Okay, bro. We can do it. Moving her items. Moving vlog. Okay. Bless. Someone in your room.
With the light on.
And I think someone's in your room, I fear.
Don't worry, no one's in my room. I mean, I did leave the door open.
She does.
Oh, that's not.
Guys, literally. Hannah. Slay.
Oh my god.
This is my room.
Get that bitch. Oh no. Get that.
Okay.
No, there's a bug over there. Isabel, please.
What do you mean? Oh my god, you got a full-size bed? You're fucked. She's back in res.
Can I go in the cart?
Bruh. What's true? Stop, you washroom. Bitch! Wait, why is there literal space in here?
Look at the shower. Look how much space
You can put a bed in this bush. Baby, I like your style.
Okay, bro. Oh my god, there is space.
And there's a
That is true.
You need to come back and do like a room tour once it's all cute.
No, we most definitely will. You literally just moved in here like a few hours ago, babe. Please, like.
I'm thinking low.
What the flip?
Yeah.
Someone left you clothes.
No, these are mine.
Someone left you clothes. She's like, babe.
Clothes is crazy.
Babe. In my size, that's so kind of them.
No, I bought a new one.
And they stole hers. And the
Who stole hers? What?
you remember the car got stolen?
Oh, that one. Yeah.
Yes, this bitch left everything in the car. And they told her not to.
This actually isn't even that bad. I don't think I'm gonna buy a mattress topper.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, it doesn't make sense for me to spend like $200 on.
$200? Egyptian cotton.
Okay, last mine.
Bae, $200 is crazy. Surely you could go to Amazon and get a $50 one.
Really?
Yeah, especially when they're on sale.
My air purifier has not been on, and can I say, like, I don't think I need it for this room.
No.
I still will, but like, truly,
It's lucky hitting.
Yeah.
Shit's crisp. Shit is crisp.
It is
It's like a
crisp.
tall glass of water.
Oh my god, shit is crisp around
Like
here.
a Diet Coke.
Like, I haven't had
Not
air
with
this
the
fresh in
Diet
a minute.
Coke,
Oh my god.
No, open the fucking door. We're gonna air it out. We're gonna fucking shove it out. 3, 2, 1. Someone open the door. Davia,
No.
please kill it. Please kill it. Please kill it. Can we pick it up?
You pick it up, I just killed it.
The fact that they don't give you the anti-suicide chairs and they give you a rolly chair.
Well, these also
That's
like
criminal.
folded
I mean,
this
if you
way.
weren't this
Oh,
if you
that's
weren't this
true.
building, you had no reason to kill yourself, surely.
Hi.
Let's have adventure on campus. This is what the vlogging is about. Let's pretend we're first year back again.
Babe. Whoa, it's button controlled? Wait, what?
You can control your own air.
Oh, the air.
And in the
What
summer.
the fuck? We had
in
none
the
of this
winter,
shenaniganry in
when they
Edwards.
turn-
16.5.
Shut up. Y'all, we didn't get such luxuries in Edwards.
In Edwards, you guys didn't even have AC.
No, we didn't have nothing. If you were hot, you were hot. If you were cold, you were cold. But
It's not as loud. Also, next point.
next
There is a
point.
peephole for you down here. One for you up here.
Stop.
Love your jeans.
Thank you, they're Levi's. Oh, what, bruh? Oh my god. No, literally. Oh my god. Friendship. Truly.
After we're going to head in, I don't care.
Oh my god. Breaking in is crazy.
Not breaking in for a let in. Oh my god. Guys, I was not at that brushing every morning.
What the fuck?
That bitch just said that she hated you.
Oh my god, that was yours.
That was my room. This is one I always use. Why am I getting emotional?
I think I should shower right now.
Yes!
This is where we bullied Oliver. This is my bath. This is where Daniel saw me half naked.
What are we fucking 2 years old? Yeah, utopian, because there's all different people there, starting completely different lives with each other right now, as we speak.
Don't.
If anyone fucked on my bed, I'm killing them. I'm not gonna do an Astro writer.
I said, can I get dressed? I'm like, can I? Oh my god, Maya, everywhere shower.
Saying this like they're gonna be there.
I know.
So funny.
I got to.
Oh my god, now we're getting a front angle.
They were literally watching porn in the car.
Oh my god.
So is your phone number attached to this?
He's coming.
Literally, okay. Subscribe me. No, literally, I love you. Bye. What do you think? Oh my god, bless. Jesus. Oh my god, look. I feel like it's just not capturing the ambiance. It's more warm than this. Home sweet home. Rihanna. Riri.
Riri?
Hey queen. Okay, she's coming. It's comfy, cozy time, clearly. Riri. Rihanna, who are you playing? This is so fun.
We're playing duos, so it's like against everyone.
Stop! I love
Bonnie
duo. Wait, this is so cute. Next cameo part 2.
Use my 16 bags.
No, literally so valid. Good night, Cookie Bear. She's back?
I'm never here. I miss her. Hey, Sharika.
Oh my god, you just came home? Where have you been?
Literally, we were out all day and all
You just came home from studying?
Yeah, I left LA.
Oh, so you're on the vlog right now, I should warn. Also, welcome Sharika!
Oh, yeah.
Sharika's
Forgetting about it too, like, I feel like it blends in with your pants.
Hey guys.
Oh, thank you!
I act like I just walked in right now.
You did just walk in. Thank you.
I seen this shit when I was walking in. I was like, who the fuck is up right now?
It's
Starving. I'm gonna go eat.
You're actually crazy.
my thing is, I was gonna make like some tea with some cheese crackers and grapes.
And you could do a small side of yogurt and vanilla.
Stop. No, that's perfect.
This is so yummy.
Hey guys, good night.
Good night. That's how much I want to eat right now. No, really. Okay, that's when I'm actually exhausted. Today drained. Today drained.
You guys making a snack?
Yes. We're both doing our little yogurt raspberry granola mix.
I love a good health journey.
Thank you. Look at our little plates. I love it.
We did like a charcuterie night one night.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Switch it up.
We all bring a cheese.
Yes. Like cheese crackers, some fucking grapes and shit.
Yes.
Yes.
Pecans.
No, guys, please don't joke about this.
No. Oh, funny you thought I'd joke about charcuterie. I'm very serious about my charcuterie. Don't mess with me and charcuterie. I got so little sleep. I know. I'm gonna go to sleep soon. All will be restored. Truly. That's so displeasing.
Why is it so my raspberries are moldy?
Fucking my blackberries were moldy the other day.
Yeah, that's so not even any.
Just whilst other people sleep, I rise. Okay, I'm literally, I'm going to bed after this. I feel like I'm about to be knocked out.
I should probably go to bed too. I feel like I still gotta study.
You should. You should get a little studying, get a little snack. Go
Yeah.
to bed. This is going to be our little goodbye part of the vlog because I'm not going to do an outro. I mean, this is the outro. So, hey.
Oh my gosh.
Bye. Bye.